You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video, another technical analysis video today. And right now Bitcoin is at 19k. On the 4-hour charts, I was talking about you looking for a long position or a buy from this very area where the market is right now. And also on ETH, what am I expecting today in the market? It's very simple. No much thing has happened in the market as we see yesterday, but I am still paying attention to this very level. If market break this area on the 1-day chart, then it's going to be very bad for Bitcoin and the entire crypto market. So my attention is still on this very level as you see the markets approach the downside on the 1-day chart. And also on the 4-hour chart, I was talking about you taking a trade from this very area. And if you look at this very area, this very point is a good support where the market rise from in the past, and right now market is at that very level again. So what am I expecting right now? I am expecting this market to rise, not actually creating a higher high, but actually move from where the market is right now, from this area into this level of resistance. So this should be your first target. Very simple, guys. Just keep it very simple. Market will move from here to this very area of resistance. That is what I am expecting right now on the BTC USDT 4-hour chart. Nothing more than that. And on the ETH USDT as well, if you look at it, I said market is going to rise when we see significant bullish candle. There was no significant bullish candle from this area, but if this candle closed significantly bullish, and then if you look at it as well, this is a very good support level. This is support, and then this is also a nice support as well. So if it closed significantly bullish, that means markets could rise to the upside, and your first target is this level of resistance. So I am expecting the market on ETH to move from here to the upside to this very level. That is what I am expecting on the immediate short term on ETH, nothing more than that. And what do you think about the market on BTC? Do you think we are still going to see the market drop down a little bit before the next move to the upside? Comment below in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not registered on Binance, OKX $600 bonus on Bybit, link in the description of this video, and do your registration right now. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.